The Afton House, a 118-year-old home with very special needs. Once a home's finish starts to peel, it is nearly impossible to stop. I said nearly impossible. A product and a process which stops the peeling dead in its tracks. The product is called Peel Bond. It can be applied up to 1/8 of an inch thick and totally encapsulate the old finish. The homeowners viewed a 150-year-old church which I painted 5 years prior, St. Mary's of Basswood Grove. After 5 years, not one morsel of paint was peeling. They required the same process, and the results were spectacular. I just love this home, and I think you will too. A. Reichert Painting, only if you want the very best.